Hi everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, we are going to be experimenting or just trying out some viral TikTok hijab styles. I'm going to be quite honest with you guys. I only wear one type of hijab style, which is what I'm wearing right now, 90% of the time. I'm not really adventurous when it comes to trying out different hijab styles. Once I'm comfortable with wearing something or trying something out, I'll most likely do it a worrying amount of times. It's quick, it's simple, and it is also pinless. Unless you want to wear like a pin here, you can do so, but I most of the time don't. I just wear like so, and it works out great. I never really had the feeling of, you know what, I feel like I want to try something new today. That feeling rarely comes to my mind unless I'm feeling really adventurous. I just thought, why not go ahead out of our comfort zones and try out some new TikTok hijab styles. Styles are not 100% viral. I still took the videos that had a couple of thousand views on them. I still consider them as viral videos. I will also be rating each hijab style from a scale of 1 to 10 on the level of difficulty. I want to make sure you guys are full on aware of the trouble that I had to go through when trying out these styles. Some of the styles I've chosen have various steps to them instead of just like a quick, you know, whoop whoop, you're done. It's not like that. Some of them are very tedious and I feel like it's a little time consuming, so I'm kind of scared. By the way, the videos that I have personally chosen, never tried out yet, so it's a first reaction for both you and I. You want to try out these hijab styles, then go ahead and grab your mother's hijab, your sister's hijab, your hijab, or whoever's hijab and try it on with me. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the first TikToker's hijab style we're going to be trying out is one from Silly Bling. If you know her, then you know her. She used to be in Malaysia. Credits to her. If you guys want to check her out, her TikTok username will be right here. For her style, she's going to show us how to do like a turban style. If you're interested to try a turban style, then you can try this heck out. Looks pretty darn simple, so if I can't do it, then I'll be quite darn disappointed. Okay, so she uses like a shawl. Yeah, she looks super cute. We're gonna try that out. So I lowered the camera down. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. We have our shawl. As she said, it's like you put it the same length on both sides. You can go ahead and just what? Okay, put this at the back. What? Tie a knot? Wait, I don't want it to look weird. Oh my god, I have a ponytail. Why is the knot here? I'm gonna watch this again. Oh my god. Why does it look like this? Damn, this is harder than I thought. And I said it was simple.
It looks pretty darn simple.
Yeah. Okay, so I got this. Supposed to tie a knot. Okay. It looks like I have a ponytail on. Okay, so we are done. This is as good as it's gonna get. Honestly, it actually is really cute. Specifically for me, I will give it from 1 to 10 about a 5 in the difficulty level. And I am very disappointed in myself for saying that. I'm embarrassed. This is the first video and I chose this as the first one because I thought this was pretty darn straightforward. I don't know if it's a bit weird for my face because I look like a potato. Okay, so back at the original starting position. Next TikTok we're going to be seeing and trying out from is by Aida Rasmus. Her hijab tutorial actually is a actual step ahead of the previous video. That one was good for quick, easy at trying out something adventurous like I am. I started wearing hijab ever since I was 13 and up until now I still can't seem to do the simplest hijab style, so doing Aida Rasmus might be a fail, but hey, we'll never know if we never try, right? Optimism is key. Okay, so she uses one pin at the beginning, ties a knot at the back, and then you just basically lift up the back flap to cover your knots, and then you pin the side of your head so it doesn't flow too much. Okay, I think I get the idea at least. So we're gonna try. I'm gonna start off by pinning first one, like so. Yeah, I have to rewatch this, guys.
One eternity later.
You take this end as well as this end, take it to the back, like do a tiny knot. It wasn't that obvious, but I'm guessing that's what she did. It looks funky as hell. Did I do it right? And then you want to basically grab the edge that you have here, tie it up again, your back flat. Okay, we're done. And then lastly, you just grab a pin. In my opinion, I feel like it's optional for you to add a pin here. You like it to be flowy like how I do, but for the sake of me following your tutorial, I will. Here's the end result. Oh my god, I look like I have some weird growth at the back. Okay, this is honestly as good as it's gonna get. This is my first attempt at the hijab tutorial. This difficulty level is 6 over 10. I think I exaggerated on the first one. I think that was more like a 3 over 10. So this is actually quite doable. I'm pretty sure if you've done it a lot of times, it's not as hard as it seems. You can probably hear my laptop overheating. I'm sorry. It's the second one and done. Yay! Okay, we are back at our original state again. And the next person we are going to be watching from TikTok is Resin. I'm so sorry if I pronounced it wrong. She has this beautiful video on how to wear a hijab. Start with one long and then one short. And then she basically pins the center. And you put one in your shirt. I've never seen that before actually. Well, that's gonna be interesting. And she flips it around. It looks super cute. And then has a pin at the side to avoid it from flying around. Basically done. And you also have the option to flip it if you like. Okay, let's try it out. I've changed the position. I hope you can see better. We're gonna start with one of them having a longer length than the other. How do you know if something is short enough? Oh my gosh, this is the short side and this is the long side. Grab a pin. So I'm using these cute tiny gold pins. Oh my god, this fell right out. Insert the smaller side into your shirt. Interesting. Take this and you're gonna put it on to the other side, like so. And you're gonna take a pin and you are done. Actually, it wasn't that bad. At the end of the video, you could also like zip it to the side if you want. I think it's super cute, by the way. Or you can just leave it hanging like so. You can basically do so much and I love that a lot. I would give the difficulty rate a 4 out of 10. This is 100% doable for all you hijab wearers out there. Alright, so the next TikToker we're going to be watching is a video from video we're going to be watching is from ZH Scarf on TikTok. He's showing you how to do a hijab just like Myra Zainal. If you know Myra Zainal, you know Myra Zainal. It's a pretty straightforward style, so hopefully we're going to be able to do this one. Yeah, and you just put it to the top and then you tie a knot at the back, you cover it with a flap, and then boom, you get a hijab style just like Myra Zainal's. In the video, she had one flat, one of it long, and then one of it short. So you can see one is short and then one is long. And then you're gonna go ahead and pin like so. And then you're gonna go ahead and grab your shorter side to the back. And then you're gonna grab your longer side and also bring it to the back. Just gonna tie them both up. Did I do it right? Sit a little bit. Boom. I am now Myra Zainal.
Oh my god!
A really cute hijab style. On the difficulty scale, I would definitely say a 3. Very quick, very simple, very, very straightforward. So we're back. Another one for our finale. This video is actually quite interesting because it's the exact same look as what I do. It just has a different step to it. This one is not pinless though. If you like a more secured hijab, like how I tend to wear mine, go ahead and follow how this TikToker does it. So the one that we're gonna go ahead and try is from a TikToker named EP Scarf. Let's watch her video. Okay, equal lengths. You're gonna bring it to the back and then you're gonna pin it. So you just use a safety pin to the side. And you just fix it a little bit depending on like the length that you want. And then you're gonna go ahead and tie up a knot at the back. And you are done. It is exactly like how I would wear mine. It's just that mine is pinless. We're gonna try out her method if you like yours a little bit more secured and less flowy. equal length on both sides. Then you're gonna bring them both to the opposite side. You're gonna go ahead and pin them both together like so. I'm gonna bring these to the back. I'm just gonna fix my camera angle so you can see better. And then once you're done, you're just going to go ahead and tie them together. And boom, you are done. So how do I personally feel about this video? I actually do like this. Now it obviously is a lot more secure than the method that I use because mine is a quick bap bap and then you just knot it and you're done. I would rate the difficulty level on this one for 2 to a 3. Actually quite easy and straightforward. Why I love it is because you can wear it out to a lot of outfits. It's simple but very, you could say, universal hijab style. I don't know if that makes sense. You kind of get what I mean, right? Right? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any other video recommendations you would like me to try out, any challenges, etc., comment below in the comment section. I'm so sorry for not posting anything for over a year now. Still okay, I'm doing great back at home. Just haven't had the mood or energy to create videos or be active on social media at the moment. Today I just thought, why not create a video for you guys. So you guys like today's video? If you do, click the subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up. And yeah, bye!